Howdy guys, welcome to the cave. I'm Mark and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Hey guys, and welcome back. Just to show you guys a few things. Everything's been lag bolted in all the way down. Now I know, and sorry for the wind, it's a windy day today, but I know a couple people have asked, what about a foundation? What about insulation in the floor? Might be a little cold. Well, as far as the insulation, once I've got the floor on, I'll be going underneath and insulating it from the bottom. So there's no worries there. Trust me, around here, it needs to be insulated. It gets cold in the wintertime. Now, as far as foundation, this is a mobile home type thing, and it does sit on cribbing. There's blocks all along underneath. So as far as doing the posts, setting them on the concrete blocks and stuff, under this ground is very solid. This dirt is maybe 3-4 inches deep at most. The posts are carriage bolted in. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of dark. There we go. Goes right through the posts. Now, I'll show you what I mean by where I live is rock. That is a shelf of rock. Now, all the ground is like that here. Now, I'll take you out front here. Like I said, we have a problem with trees. They don't seem to grow very deep because of the rock, so the wind likes to push them over. But you can see right there, just a big rock all over the place. Moss growing on the rock there. If I come over here, just to the front yard, again, there's a shed we're building, and it's sitting right on top of the rock. And again, we'll go right here. This is all shale rock. This is in the yard. It's like that everywhere. The dirt here is only about 3 to 4 inches deep. If you're lucky, maybe 6 or 8 inches. So as far as a foundation, it's not needed. This will be getting skirted in. I'll be framing all along the bottom, all the way around, and that will get insulated as well. So not only will the skirting be insulated, the floor will be insulated. So what I'm going to be doing today is finishing up all these posts. So once I get a bunch of these posts done up, I will show you what I've got done. And then from there, I'll probably start doing the floorboards. Okay guys, I've got the carriage bolts here. So this post is done. Now I'm going to cut this one up to put one in between these two posts and one in between those two posts. So of course, to do that, got my square, tape measure, skill saw. This is not a tutorial. So what you see me doing here and how I'm doing it is not an example of how to do things. Make sure you use your tools properly, wear your protection properly. If you get hurt doing anything the way I do it, it's your own damn fault. So I put the camera up on a tripod for you. Yes, there is wind. Hopefully I can reduce it or it stays away enough. I'll let you watch what I'm doing. Again, don't do as I do. Alright guys, all the posts are in. So now it's time to readjust the heights. So if you're wearing headphones, you might want to turn down the volume. And there we have it. Posts readjusted, flush to the floor. Alright, so my next thing is to do the outside posts along the far edge, get that leveled, get it leveled from there to there, get it level from there to here, make sure this one's level, double check the center one. Once that's all level, I'll set all those posts, cut them off at the same time. So when I've got that done, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I've got all these posts in now, and they're cut. Now I had to stop because, well, it ended up raining, and it rained for 2 days. Then, half the day was nice out, so I got some help and I squared the floor. So the floor is all square now. And then I also put up my string line, and the floor is straight. Then it started to rain again for about a day and a half-ish. And then we ended up with almost 6 inches of snow on Mother's Day. So I'll show you a picture of that. So then it was about another day and a half to get rid of the snow. And it was cool, windy, wet, so I had to wait for everything to dry up again. So now everything's good to go. I got to shim up the center a little bit. It's got to come up about a quarter of an inch at very most in the very center there. And I got to make some permanent braces now in the corners, and all of these ones here going side to side. I got to re-straighten a few posts. This one's a little crooked, not a big deal, but everything is level. So I got to make some braces kind of like this, but way better. Going left and right up to the floors. Better than that. And then I got to make one going front to back, going from there up to inside the floor somewhere for each one of these posts. And of course, the corner ones only get two, one coming this way, and of course, one going the other way. And I have to do that for the center post as well. So, make sure you stay tuned, because that'll be in the next episode. You'll see that, and I will get the floor going, and you will see some of that. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you can get notified for when I post videos, because I'm pretty sure you want to see what's coming up. Also, check out my Instagram. I post things there, and my Facebook page. So until then, later.